Hello everyone on YouTube, Master of Cards here, and welcome to the first in my materials card tricks. It's an ongoing thing, like my albino and waterfall based tricks. You've seen those before, so I'm not going to waste any time. So if we're all sitting comfortably, I will begin. This trick is number 1078 in my spellbook. I'm going back a bit. It's called Woodwork. That's the material for this, wood. So, let the materials begin. So first, there we go, fairly mixed up deck. Just one more for good measure. There. If that's not mixed up for you, I don't know what is. Okay. See, I'll just go through it all. See? This is just to show you that there's nothing sneaky going on. Alright, I'll speed it up a bit. Oh, by the way, that's the look of the Ace of Spades. I hope you like it. Oh, sorry, I'm turning this into a deck review. What's with me? 1 second. There, much better. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. There. A completely mixed up deck. So now, let's select a card. So when you like, say stop. I'll stop there because there's no spectator here to do it. There we go. This is the card we've selected, so now let's lose it back into the deck. There it is, roughly in the middle. Oh, let's just lose it a little more. Now let's see what it is. It's the 5 of clubs. And now, for a bit of woodwork, we'll take the cards that it's sandwiching it. And now I know it's the 5 of, well, I knew these cards must knew it was the 5 of clubs because a 5 and a club. I guess you could call that a card sandwich. Well, that's the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. And I promise you one day I'll be continuing more of the materials section. If you have any advice or suggestions for what I should use for materials in cards, that is, then leave it in the comments section. Well, that's it for now, so until next time, au revoir.